Good morning. So today we're going to discuss about this problem. What if inserting coffee beans in our hopper and turning on the motor, we don't obtain grounded coffee? Ho le mani davanti però. Turning on the motor, we rotate the handle anti-clockwise, so towards the fourth setting, as long as we don't obtain grounded coffee in the lower portion. In order to improve the setting, you need to turn on the motor and ground every coffee bean you have in the hopper. First off, we need to remove the hopper by unscrewing the 5 screws we have on the top.
4.
The 4 screws on the top, we can remove the hopper. First of all, you need to remove the power cord. Once you've done that, you need to start rotating anti-clockwise as long as the nut starts moving. When this one starts moving, you are ready to set your grinder. Then you need to unscrew all the screws you have around. And then after you have done that, you are ready to remove the top cover.
Remove this.
You need to remove the white connector. And then you are ready to reset your grinding. Once you have removed the top cover, you need to rotate the handle in order to reach the 3 smaller dots. After that, you are ready to reconnect the white connector and then reassemble the top cover. So now we are ready to also reassemble the hopper and ready to check our grinding setting. So now we pour some coffee beans into the hopper and we start grinding. Of course, we need to insert the power cord first, and then by grinding we turn the handle in order to reach the free setting. You set on the 3, you need to regulate and adjust your grinding setting according to your needs.